Title: Elevate your backyard barbecue game with the East Oak Electric Smoker. Opening: Hey there, grill masters and barbecue enthusiasts. Are you tired of your backyard cookouts feeling like just another average get-together? Well, we've got a game-changer for you. Let me introduce you to the East Oak 30-inch electric smoker, your ticket to mouth-watering smoked meats and unforgettable outdoor gatherings. Product intro: this beauty right here is not just another smoker, it's a culinary powerhouse that will take your barbecue skills to the next level. With its sleek design and impressive features, the East Oak Electric Smoker is perfect for both beginners and seasoned pit masters looking to up their game. Intended users: whether you're hosting a family reunion, neighborhood block party, or simply want to impress your friends with some smoky goodness, this electric smoker has got your back. Say goodbye to tedious charcoal prep and messy cleanups. The East Oak Electric Smoker is here to make your life easier. Benefits and features: so, what makes the East Oak Electric Smoker so special? Let's start with its built-in meat probe. No more constantly checking on your meat or guessing if it's done. This feature takes all the guesswork out of smoking and ensures perfect results every time. But that's not all. The East Oak Electric Smoker boasts an impressive 6x longer smoke duration compared to traditional smokers. That means you can cook bigger batches with less effort, leaving you more time to enjoy your party. And with its side chip loader, you can refuel without ever interrupting the smoking process. Use cases: imagine hosting a backyard barbecue and serving up perfectly smoked ribs, brisket, or even salmon, all cooked to perfection using the East Oak Electric Smoker. The possibilities are endless with this versatile piece of equipment. And don't forget about those cool summer nights when you can kick back, relax, and let the smoker do the work while you bond with family and friends. How to use: using the East Oak Electric Smoker is a breeze. Simply plug it in, load your wood chips on the side, add your meat, set the desired temperature, and let the smoker work its magic. The digital control panel makes adjusting temps and cooking times a snap, so you can focus on enjoying your event rather than tending to the smoker. Comparisons: now, you might be wondering how the East Oak Electric Smoker compares to traditional charcoal or gas smokers. Well, let me break it down for you. 1. No more messy charcoal prep, simply plug in and go. 2. Consistent temperatures, thanks to digital control panel. 3. Built-in meat probe ensures perfect results every time. 4. Side chip loader allows for uninterrupted smoking. 5. Larger cooking area means bigger batches with less effort. Practical tips: to get the most out of your East Oak Electric Smoker, be sure to season it before using for the first time. This will help create a non-stick surface and enhance the flavors of your smoked meats. And don't forget to clean your smoker after each use. This will keep it in top shape for years to come. Call to action: are you ready to take your backyard barbecues to the next level? The East Oak 30-inch electric smoker is waiting for you. Click the link below and order yours today. We promise you won't be disappointed. Closing: remember, great food brings people together, so why settle for average cookouts when you can impress your friends and family with mouth-watering smoked meats? Make this season one to remember by investing in the East Oak Electric Smoker. We can't wait to see the delicious memories you create.